Good morning, class. Today we will be learning about capitalizing dates. Yesterday we learned about capitalizing the first letter in our first and last name. Can someone remind me, what is a capital letter? Great, a capital letter is an uppercase letter. Here we have a capital A or an uppercase A, and below it we have a small a or a lowercase a. Capital letters are important because it gives meaning to the word. What are some things that we capitalize? Yesterday we learned about capitalizing the first letter in our first and last name. We capitalize the first letter in our first or last name because names are important. Here we have the K in Katie capitalized, the M in Miss and the L in Lumen capitalized to make Miss Lumen, and the J in John capitalized. Holidays have the same rule. The C in Christmas will be capitalized, the S in Saint, the P in Patrick's, and the D in Day will be capitalized to make St. Patrick's Day, and the E in Easter is capitalized. For weekdays, we do not capitalize the D in Day, but we will capitalize the first letter, the M in Monday, the W in Wednesday, and the S in Saturday. Months, it's the same idea. We capitalize the first letter. The J in June, the D in December, and the O in October are all capitalized. Today we are going to be learning about capitalizing dates. This will include months, weekdays, and holidays. Because these are all important, let's take a look at the months. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Notice that the first letter of each month is capitalized. Days of the week have the same idea. We capitalize the first letter. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. If we look at each day, we can see the first letter is capitalized, but the word day within the word is not capitalized. It is all lowercase. Here's an example of correct capitalization for days of the week. Only the first letter of each day is capitalized. Below it, we have an incorrect way where we did capitalize the D in day. We don't want to do that. It should be lowercase. Holidays have a first letter capitalized too. Here are some examples. New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, the 4th of July, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. Notice that the D in day for holidays will be capitalized. Here's an example of correct capitalization for holidays. Notice the capital letters as well as the D in day capitalized. Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. Below it, we have an incorrect way where we did not capitalize the D in day. Let's do an activity. I'm going to put you into pairs. Each pair is going to get a bag of capitals. Your job is going to be to replace the lowercase letter in a weekday, month, or holiday on the board with the correct capital letter. Let me show you an example. I'm going to reach into my bag of capitals, pull out a capital letter, and find a day, month, or holiday that needs to be fixed by that capital letter. I pulled out a capital F. I'm going to look at the board and find a lowercase f that needs to be replaced. I know that Friday is a day of a week, so that needs to be capitalized. And I put my capital F on top of it. Let's try another. I pulled out a capital N. I'll look at the board. I know that New Year's is a holiday that needs a capital N. I'll replace lowercase n with a capital N. Let's try on our own. What letter did you draw? A W. What needs a capital W? We look at the board. Right, Wednesday is the day of the week. It needs a capital W. Nice job. What's our next letter? M. What needs a capital M? Right, Monday is the day of a week as well. That needs a capital M. Next person. What did you draw? A capital P. Yes, the P in Patrick's needs to be capitalized because it's a holiday. Next letter, capital C. Where do we need a capital C? Christmas. That is an important holiday. It needs to have a capital letter. Very nice job. Finish the rest with your partner, please. Great work, everyone. The days, months, and holidays look like they have been fixed, so they are all having a capital letter. Let's head back to our seats. Great work on that last activity. Let's practice some more capitalization of months, days, and holidays by completing this worksheet. The directions say, complete the worksheet by correcting the days, months, or holidays with a capital letter. When you find an error, correct it and rewrite the sentence. When you are finished, put your pencils down. Any questions? Okay, go ahead. Great work. Let's go over our answers. For number 1, what do we need to fix? John? Right, the F in Friday and the F in February. Number 2, Sarah, what do we need to fix? Right, we need to make the N capital in November and the T a capital in Thanksgiving. Great job. Number 3, Joe. Yes, we need to capitalize the M in March, the A in April, and the M in May. Number 4, Cody. Right, the D in December and the C in Christmas need to be capitalized. And our last one, Alan. Yes, W in Wednesday and T in Thursday both need to be capitalized because they're days of the week. Great job. Nice job on that worksheet, class. Remember, a capital letter is an uppercase letter or a big letter. Capitals give meaning to the word and make it important. We always capitalize months, days of the week, and holidays. Let's put our materials away, hand in our worksheet, and line up for gym.